Right guys, welcome back. Right, so today what we're going to be doing is a flip cup pour into a mould with Alumilite. Just received it literally about 20 minutes ago. Super excited to get it poured and get some moulds made up. It's the first time I've used Alumilite. I usually use epoxy resins, but I've watched loads of videos on Alumilite, and I've always wanted to try it. I've got a couple of projects coming up with it. I've got the pencil project coming up, which I'll be starting straight after this one. But today I'm going to be making some pen blanks up and actually turning 2 pens. So for this cup pour, I'm going to be using purple, yellow and blue. I think we'll just crack on with it. I'm a bit unsure. Well, I say I'm unsure. I've watched loads of videos, but always the same thing. You come to do it yourself and everything that you think you've learnt watching stuff completely goes out of your head. So we're a minute down already. Right, so let's move that out of the way. I do not want that on my phone. So what I said was, I think the lead colour should be purple. So we'll pour that into that. If we get all that, we've still got a bit of time. I'm pretty happy with that. What colour next? What colour next? Let's put yellow in next. After yellow, the blue. As I said, I probably should have left that a little bit longer before I mix the colours in. Because I don't know what strength it's my first one, so whatever happens happens. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to place this over the top and I'm just going to flip it over into it. I can feel that heating up already, Jesus. Right, so it doesn't look like I've used enough resin. Right, anyway, we're going to get that in the pressure pot. We'll pressure it up, cut it down, see what it's like. But it's looking pretty cool. Right guys, so that's now under pressure, about 45 psi. And I'm going to leave it under pressure for probably about 90 minutes. It's a little bit cooler today. So I'll leave it under pressure for about 90 minutes. Now, I estimated the volume for that mould, which I way underestimated. I should have probably put 100 grams of part A and part B in, but it's my first go. Now I've got an idea of what I'm going to do with it anyway. So I am thinking of cutting the blank moulds up as I would normally if they was at the right thickness. And then what I might do is I might run a layer of like a medium-sized layer through the middle of the pen blank of ebony, so like cut it down so sort of about that thickness, and then have the Alumilite stuck on the top and the bottom and then drill through. So in the centre I have like a wooden base, and then round the edge on the sort of well, I say the curves, but it's a round circle, isn't it? So there isn't no curve. Well, it's one big curve, but yeah, if you know what I mean. So either side there'd be the Alumilite. The colours look pretty cool, and they have bled together. I didn't leave them right to the last second, but I think when you're first doing it, you're sort of more eager to get it in the pressure pot, get it sort of set up, and then I think my next pour will go a bit slow. I think I hit 45 psi just at the 7th minute. Now I'm not too sure whether it has to be pressurised within them 7 minutes, or if that's just the work time. Like literally just the time you can be pouring it and mixing it together. If anyone knows that sort of question of what's the sort of maximum time it can be before it's actually within the pressure pot, is it the 7 minutes or is it a little bit longer to be under pressure? I'm unsure. I haven't seen that in any of the videos that I've watched anyway. So any comments on that would be much appreciated, guys. I'll be back anyway once it's cured, and we'll crack on with turning the pens. Right, I've semi-prepped these ones, but the colours running through them are absolutely awesome.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Right guys, so that's now up to Yorkshire Grit. What I am going to do is I am going to run it up through the micro meshes now. But them colours in there are absolutely fantastic. guys, so there it is, the Alumilite and Ebony pen. Really enjoyed doing this one. I actually quite like the Ebony strip running through it. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. The colours that come up through it, using the, I think it was midnight purple, ocean blue, and sunrise yellow, sunset yellow, something like that. Anyway, yeah, really made some really cool colours and effects in the pen. Trying to get a good view for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Really does help me out. And once again, thank you very much to my subscribers. Thanks for watching, guys.